Hi and welcome to tutorial 2 of the 28-day free trial series. We've now received the email after setting up the account. It shouldn't take too long for you to receive it depending on your network speed and server speed. It should be a few minutes at most. Now in receiving this email you'll find some really useful information that you're going to need to keep safe. So firstly, logging onto your account, you've got your web portal address, which is your brand new setup ClouDrive. You've got your email and your password, and you've also got some download and install instructions. Towards the bottom of the email you've also got some links to your drive, to your mobile drive, and also to the open access software so that you can use the software on your iPad, iPhone and Android phone. But the first thing we're going to do right now is actually click on the ClouDrive login web portal right here so that we can get started straight away. Having clicked on the link, you'll be brought straight to your ClouDrive where you can enter your email address right at the top here and your password, and then just press login. Before we do that, just for reference, you do have a forgot password here as well, so if you do forget your password you can actually reset here. What we're going to do right now is just log. Okay, so now we've logged in, we've got our ClouDrive dashboard, which is where we get all sorts of useful information about our installation. And because it's the first time we've logged in and set up, you've got this quick start guide right at the front which kind of gives you a bit of explanation about what to do next. And the first thing really to do is download and install the software, which is what we're going to do right now. Okay, so just press run on the software and you can see it's now starting to download and configure, install. As it does that, you may notice that your machine just flickers on, especially if you're in Windows 7 or 8, just to confirm that you want to continue, and then it will complete the installation. My screen just flickered and it's just coming back up to now finish. Okay, now we've got the Welcome to ClouDrive pop-up where you enter the email address and password from the email that you received and press sign in. It's now going to verify your account and you can choose a computer name that will then be displayed on your account. And now I'm going to pick Martin and then Windows so that it's easy to identify later on. Now you can actually choose folders now to update. It's picked the typical folders that are in your normal Windows setup, just as it would on Apple Macs. Now you can see here that it's picked documents, pictures, music, videos, and I kind of want all that backed up, so I'm just going to tick everything right here. I'm going to save the add folder for a little bit later on because that's really enough to be getting on with. It's enough to get your ClouDrive started, and you could go into quite a lot of detail, especially if you've got a complex setup of hierarchy for your folders. But generally speaking, if you're a normal Windows user, then these folders are going to be the core ones that you use every day, so they're going to be the most important ones. So I'm just going to press next. It says there how easy it is to use. You just right click when you've got a folder and you can back up with backup drive, and if you have share drive you can copy to share drive as well. ClouDrive's now been successfully installed and you can access and use your ClouDrive online using the web portal, or we can finish the installation right here. And I'm going to actually finish it because I want to show you the web portal in the next tutorial.